Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the AC compressor on a Ford Explorer, updated. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal, then relieve AC pressure safely using a certified recovery machine. Put on safety goggles and gloves, and work on a cool engine to avoid burns. Use jack stands when the vehicle is lifted, and keep rags handy for spills. Lay out replacement parts and tools before starting to stay organized and efficient. Start by recovering the refrigerant using a certified recovery machine to avoid releasing gas. Remove the serpentine belt to access the compressor, then unplug any electrical connectors and pressure switches. Unbolt the compressor mounting bolts while supporting the unit to prevent it from dropping. Remove line fittings, covering ports to keep contaminants out. Inspect hoses and fittings for wear, and replace any damaged O-rings with lubricated replacements before installing the new. Compare the new compressor to the old unit to confirm mounting points and port orientation match. Install fresh lubricated O-rings on all fittings to prevent leaks and torque bolts and line fittings to manufacturer specifications. Reinstall the serpentine belt and reconnect electrical connectors. Evacuate the system with a vacuum pump for the recommended time to remove moisture and air. Finally, charge with the correct refrigerant type and oil amount, then test for proper cooling and leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.